Hello, in front of me I've got EPOS H6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. In the beginning, in order to pair these headphones to PC, prepare the jack cable attached in the original box. Those headphones that not have Bluetooth or 2.4G connection. So we have to plug this part of the cable to headphones and the second one to PC. As you can see right here, we've got two ends of this headphone. The green end is used for the sound and the pink end is used for the microphone. Connect them to proper holes in your PC. And now on your PC, go to Sound Settings. Select headphones, and for the microphone, select microphone. And that's basically it. Your headphones are now ready to use. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.